I believe that for an artist, the medium is an important part of their virtuosity. This violin that I play, called Vicomte de Panette, it's a companion, it's an ally. It's a source of both inspiration and unwavering support, like meeting a soulmate. When such an object becomes an intimate part of our life, it will reveal your personality and become forever part of you. Like each violin created by Guarnerius del Gesso, each of the existing 5 full strike Sapphire watches has a unique sound. My violin, these watches have the same subtle quality than the great perfume that blends with the person wearing it. My violin sounds unique in my hands because our meeting was amazingly organic, and it's a real alchemy. When worn, the L.U.C Full Strike becomes a delicate balance between 2 unique vibrations, the body and the instrument. This meeting will create what will become a particular signature, a signature that will continue to evolve with a person through their life.